Alright guys, I'm back with another news of yet another draw of a PNP where 528 candidates have been invited to apply. Please be tuned till the end. We are sharing this important piece of information today. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there and right now I'm traveling to India. So if you have to get in touch with me, please make a note of my WhatsApp number, which is Canadian number, on the screen. And if you have to get in touch with me on a regular call, my Indian number is there. Guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that every time we release a new video, you are kept updated and you do not miss any important information. Guys, what we are discussing today is an important piece to Canadian immigration always, which is Provincial Nomination Program or the PNP. Well, the province of Ontario in Canada has come out with yet another PNP invitation round where 528 people have been invited to apply for provincial nominations. Well, these candidates were already in the express entry pool and were involved in one of the 6 occupations which are in demand in Canada, the province of Ontario. Guys, first let's talk about the draw and what was the cutoff. Well, Ontario invited people with between 456 and 467 in this particular round of draw, 528 candidates. And if you think you have been working in that particular occupation, which is as per the 6 occupations of tech, so this was a tech draw, and if you are working in one of the 6 occupations, then you could be looking at your express entry profile and see if you've been invited. I will just go through the occupations which were in demand. Now the first one is a computer and information systems manager, NOC 0213, computer engineers, NOCs 2147, database analyst and data administrators, NOC 2172, software engineers and designers, NOC 2173, computer programmer and interactive media developers 2174, and web designers and developers 2175. Along with this, you should have been eligible under the express entry human capital priority stream, which is under OINP. Now if these things are well in place along with your CRS score of 456 to 467, you should head out to your express entry profile right now and see whether you have been invited or not. If you have been invited, then you have about 45 calendar days to submit the application to Ontario on its OINP portal. After the application is submitted, the province of Ontario will assess it and let you know with their final decision. And once you receive the decision, you use that particular NOI letter to claim the 600 points of a PNP nomination under the express entry pool. Then the second round of the PR processing will start after you receive an invitation to apply on your express entry profile. So yes, how that really works is, first you receive an invitation from a province, you apply for a PNP. Once you're approved for a PNP, you apply for a PR under express entry, and then if everything goes well, you are presented with the final PR, that is your COPR. Guys, I hope the information was helpful, and a hearty congratulations to all of those who have been invited by the province in this particular draw. The tech draw was is one of the most appreciated and most heavily inviting programs of OINP, and once again I hope a lot of you get a chance to come to Canada. If you need more help, please make a note of my Canadian number for WhatsApp conversations and my Indian number while I'm in India for a quick chat on phone call. You can feel free to book a consultation to speak further. Once again, we'll be back with another round of news once it arrives. Until then, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you soon in Canada.